In our previous video, we talked about the H1 to H6, the P tag and the BR. So in this video, we'll cover more and more of the tag that we can use in formatting HTML. So let's continue. Let's say we have this P tag. I want to say bold text using B tag because I want to make this B to be bold, like bold text. I want to make it bold. So how do I apply my bold using B tag? I'll write here B. The rule is anywhere you open the tag, you have to close it. It depends on the tag you are using. We have three ways of doing this. There are some tag that doesn't need to close, like the BR, the inputs. When we get there, you see them one by one. But for now, focus on the BR. That the BR, there is no closing tag. But others, the way you open it, that's how you close it. Like the body is opening here and close here. The H1, the head, you open it and close. The H1 to H6, the same thing applicable there. So how do I apply my bold in this bold text? I'll pick out this and write it here because I want to bold just few of them, not all of them. I want to bold only bold text. So let's save. I refresh. We have bold text using B tag, but my B is not showing well. Okay, at this point I'll use this tag called code to do the work. I want to be typing everything. I don't want to copy much. Okay, we have this. Oh, we have multiple. Then I'll save this, but saving this will not give us what we want. It's not working. So the best way is to add this sign and sign greater, okay, less than first, then close it with and sign greater than on this sign. So we have this bold text using B tag. So we have some other tag like the I, the U for underline, the I is for italic, the U for underline, the S for strike. We have the marks. We have the emphasis, the sub, SUP and SUB, that is subscript and superscript. So I'll suspend the video for now and type all of them so that I'll explain them one by one for you. As you can see, we have the same P tag, then we apply other formatting text or formatting tag elements inside of everyone. So from here, we have the bold text using B. So if I should save this and refresh, you see everything. Okay, we have bold text using B, that's the B tag. Strong text, strong bold text using strong. Italic text using I. Emphasize text using emphasis, that's EM. Underline, the strike through, the highlights, the superscript and the subscript, that's H2O and CO2. CO2, we all know all these elements in chemistry are. So how do you write all these things? They are very simple. Don't forget how you open is how you close. I first open my P tag, then that means everything will be inside P tag. Don't forget this. Know the hierarchy, like know the way they are positioning. Everything will be simple. There is nothing much here. So I open with my P and close it with P here. Then every other thing that comes inside it is like belongs to the P. Take for example, in a building, we have the entrance and the exit door. So when you open the entrance door, that means someone can go out from the exit. So that is the same thing applying here. Anything when the door is closed, like when both doors is closed, is inside the house. So you understand? The B and other text with other tag, they are inside the P tag. So let's say the P tag is the parent while the B and some other ones are the children. So both text using the strong text, you see, just follow exactly as I write them one by one by yourself so that you'll be able to detect everything by yourself. It's not hard, it's very simple. Now we talk about the list, that is the list index. So we have two types of lists, the ordered and unordered list. So how do we use them? In real life, when something is ordered, that means they follow the same position. Like if you want to position people, you stand them according to their height, either ascending or descending order. So here we have numbering, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that's order. Then unordered is using bullet points like the dot, the square, the done sign, and every other one. So I'll copy this out, I'll delete this and put here. I'll start with ordered list. So let me first declare a comment so that you know the difference between ordered and unordered list. How do you put a comment in HTML? You start with angular bracket open, exclamation, minus minus. I'm using IDE, that's Intelligent Development Environment. You understand? That's why if I type smart, everything will complete it for me. I install other packages that will help me to do all these things. So that list, I have this ordered list. I'll just type OL. That's just the tag OL. Also note that when you are opening a tag and closing a tag, there is one slight difference, which is the right slash. You understand? That's forward slash. That's just the difference between them. And how is it coming in? It comes in before your tag, like before your tag text, because OL is after the forward slash. Don't forget this. So in list, we have list index, that's LI. Then we will say a 1, and we need like 2. Let me duplicate it. If you are on Windows, click Shift Alternate arrow down. If you are on Mac, you click on Shift Option arrow down. So 1, 2, you save. Let me save this. We have 1 and 2 in ordered form. So we have 1 as the numbering, 2 as the second numbering. But if you are doing this in UL, that's unordered list, it will not be the same. What you have is either dot or square, depending on the form, on the one you are selecting. As we go further with our CSS, we learn all those things. So I have here UL, close, the same thing. So we save. So that's just all we have with list. You can add more lists. We have nested list. Nested list means inside this or LI, you can add another one. Let's say, for example, here I have this LI. I just want to put the LI, then I have another UL inside of it. There is no problem with that. Then I have LI. Let's see what will happen. You see how it works? Because it is inside a list index, that's why it is showing like this. So it's shifting this one to the next indentation, like it's indenting everything. I'll teach you about indentation as we go further. So the next thing we will cover now is block and inline tag. How do you know the one that is a block tag, and how do you know the one that is a inline tag? So we come here, I'll write 2 tags. We say p tag, this is a block tag. I'll explain better now. No. So span, this is inline tag. So we have these 2 tags. How do you know that this is a block tag and this is an inline tag? A block tag will always cover the entire width, while an inline tag will not cover the entire width. Instead, cover its contents. When something covers its content, it means that it doesn't exit the content, like the width of the content. From this to G, that's from T to G, that's the width of this span tag. But in a block element or a block tag, it will cover beyond, like it will take the whole width of the browser. Let me use CSS and style it so that we will see how this works. So I should say style. Don't need to learn this one for now. Say border. Okay, I'll save this. That is a block tag. It covers the entire width. So let's check the inline style. Any mistake that you made might result in your code not giving you what you want. So you have to be very careful while doing all these things. So we have the block tag and the inline tag. You have seen the difference now. The span covers its content, while the p tag covers the entire width, not the height. They don't affect the height, it's only the width. So that means the p tag doesn't give space for another thing to enter there. But if I should duplicate this span, it will give me another space to add more. So you have seen it now. I have first span, second span, still in the same line. But if I should duplicate the span, the p tag, there is no space for you hit, it will take the next line. So you have seen their differences now. This is a block tag and this is an inline tag. I believe that's all for this video. Do well to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video.